The Tyre Sensors Not Detected error on your Ford Tourneo Connect means the car's computer, called the ECU, isn't communicating with the tire pressure sensors. These sensors, located inside your tires, monitor pressure and temperature to prevent blowouts. The issue typically stems from dead sensor batteries, which last about 5 to 7 years, or sensor damage. Ensuring proper tire inflation, generally 2.4 to 3.0 bar, is crucial for correct TPMS functionality. Aftermarket wheels without compatible sensors can also cause this issue. Most error issues stem from not doing a tire pressure relearn after a tire change. Be sure to do that first. First, ensure all tires are inflated to the correct pressure as specified in your owner's manual. Next, attempt a TPMS Relearn procedure. Cycle the ignition key and drive at 25 to 50 kilometers per hour, which is 15 to 30 miles per hour, for 10 to 20 minutes. This allows the sensors to transmit their IDs to the ECU. If the error persists after relearning, a sensor is likely faulty. Replace with Ford OE sensor part number BK3T150AB, costing $50 to $80. Replace all sensors every 5 to 7 years to prevent future issues. OEM sensors are recommended over aftermarket replacements. If relearning and sensor replacement don't resolve the issue, a faulty ECU module could be the problem. This requires professional diagnosis at a Ford dealer or qualified mechanic. Finally, always check Ford technical service bulletins like TSB 24001, updated in mid-2024, before attempting any DIY fixes. This helps address known issues and avoids voiding your vehicle warranty.